we have come on a little trip to St. Fagans. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I'm not Welsh. Ask Amy. Amy, are we saying it right? Yeah, the Museum of... It was Welsh Life. I don't know if they changed the name of it, but here we are. And we're going to have a lovely time. Sunshine. So that is it, we are back. I definitely recommend going visiting. The gardens are absolutely beautiful if you're into like formal ornamental gardens. It's also free to get in, you don't have to pay. You do have to pay for the car park, which is £6 for the whole day, which is an absolute bargain. There's plenty of toilets, there's plenty of places to get drinks and food. We took our own. But yeah, we had a lovely day. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you again next time. I'm not complaining about the sun, but it is pretty bright.